super surprised to find so many different kind of crab. I thought there would be only mud crab. So I see Alaska crab. I'm super happy. So I grabbed the Alaska crab and a mud crab. The plan is to make a crab gnocchi with the same sauce, but I would twist it a little bit.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
So you don't have the experience of Singaporean crab.
Yeah.
You never tasted before.
Yeah, but I have been cooking crab at home several times. I'm thinking about making gnocchi today.
Oh really?
And I would
Gnocchi?
mix this in the gnocchi.
Right,
So it holds all of the flavor from the roll inside of the gnocchi.
I see.
And from then, I'll see how it goes. That's so far.
Now, gnocchi, I'm talking about techniques here. Are you going to make it with just fork or are you going to just roll it out?
I think I'll make it with a fork. I roll it out and then into a small cube, and then I'll use a
I
fork.
hope the size is right.
So as well. My biggest concern for the dish is the gnocchi. I made it once, last year I think. That time it was a success, but it's been a year and not sure about putting the crab roll in there. But I want that flavor in the gnocchi. Halfway through the cook and I realized there's a chance the gnocchi would send me home. I put the gnocchi in the oven with some butter, really high heat, hoping that it would dry the gnocchi. This is like really the first time I ever get panic in MasterChef kitchen.
How's your timing, huh?
I'm quite tired on timing.
Is it getting a little burnt in the bottom? I think you better check it out. I think it's
yeah.
getting a little bit too reduced.
Sorry, I gotta go and run, get another pan.
I think you should run right away.
Yes.
So,
I'm like, okay, my gnocchi is not going well, and Susa saw my sauce about to be burned. I mean, everybody has to go home at the point. But I don't want to go home from a disaster dish, right? I mean, if it's the dish that I'm happy with, okay.
Please, Ha, can you bring your dish, please?
All of the previous challenge, I'm happy with what I have in the plate, but not this time. I was panicked about the gnocchi. I didn't really put myself together to be able to make the salsa sauce on top as I wanted. I'm so unhappy with how I executed it. Kicking myself non-stop.
Ha, how did you reinvent the chili crab of Singapore, Ha?
I make gnocchi today and put the crab roll in there for the flavor.
That's the first time you're doing chili crab?
Yeah, first time I do chili crab. And I'm not happy with the gnocchi. I could have done that better. I didn't do that. Still kicking myself.
I love it.
They like my dish. Kind of like knock knock, wake up.
I love the fact that you've got big chunks of
Chunky
crab.
Oh, yeah.
I know I'm eating crab, you know, and it tastes fresh because you've got some kind of larger bits of chilies and a bit of herbs through it as well. Nice work. You should be proud of yourself.
I'm
Thought I'm
surprised
going
you're
home.
surprised. I got the flavor of the chili crab here. Those pieces of crab, I can really eat the crab, and I really enjoy the consistencies here. I mean, I just love the dish. Well done.
Thank you. I watched the video of an Italian guy making gnocchi. You should have watched a French guy. Thank you.
Good advice.
It is such a big relief, really, to realize, oops, they like it. Maybe I'm not going home today.